Hi there, I'm Paul from Norton. Welcome back to Ask the Expert. Today we have a question about cutting discs. That question is, my wheel is not cutting straight. What could be the problem? All right, several reasons why your cutting disc, which I'm assuming you mean by wheel, several reasons why this isn't going to cut straight. One of the first ones is the material you're clamping on in your vise or on your bench. If you're cutting far away from where you've actually clamped material, you get a lot of flex in that material, and that could actually cause an issue with vibration, therefore resulting in a not very straight cut. So when you clamp your material, make sure it's where you're going to do the cut, it's as close to the clamp as possible to avoid that deflection and vibration. The second reason, or one of the other main reasons why, is it because the material you're trying to cut is too thick for the disc you've actually got in your machine. So, say for example, you've got materials a centimeter thick or 25 mil thick. It's quite a thick material to cut, and if you're trying to do that with a 1 millimeter cutting disc, yes, it will be fast, but the disc could deflect in that thick material. It can go off course very, very easily. So you need a wheel to have more strength and more stability. It's a good idea to use a thicker wheel if that's the case. So a 1.3 or even a 1.6 will give that wheel more stability and more control when you're trying to cut a thicker material. The other reason could be simply down to technique. Okay, it could be the fact that you're not holding the angle grinder properly. You haven't marked your line on your material in the right way, so you're not seeing where you're following. And also, you could be pushing too hard, so you could be using the wrong disc for the material you're trying to cut. But on this link, we will post a link to another video, which you can click on and see hints and tips for cutting successfully. I hope that answers your question. See you next time.